This is a demonstration of customizing your category list for use within your class. And in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the culminating that was provided at the district level and push down to all the courses. And I'm going to hide it for my course, and I'm going to split it into an oral exam and a written exam. So what we'll do is we'll take a look just to review in this ENG3E. I'm going to go to Settings, and I'm going to go to Traditional Grade Calculations to see what it looks like in the S2. And you'll see that I have all of the 4 and culminating at 30%. So the idea here is instead of this row, I want a pair of them in culminating oral and culminating written. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to go to the grading categories. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hide this culminating. So I hit the pencil and I make it inactive. Now you notice I can't delete it because that's one that was provided at the district level. So I can't delete it, but I can hide it from this class. One thing that I need to do here, you see that it's saying limit this category to these classes. All classes right now are going inactive. So make sure that you're on the right class and you're only making adjustments in that one class. Unless, of course, you want to do it for all of your classes or some combination of them. So I'll hit save, and that hides it from this class. And I can show it again so that I can reactivate it with that check mark. But now what I want to do is I want to replace it. So I'm going to go plus and choose category now. And I'm going to say culminating oral. And I'm going to make it purple because that's the color scheme that was in use. And again, careful that I don't push this to all classes. Push it where I want to push it. And I won't bother with these other defaults and so on. I'll just hit save. And now that's available just in this one class. And so I'll do the same thing. Hit the category. Choose the class. And culminating written. Purple. And now I have those categories. However, I haven't done anything with the weighting yet. So I'm going to have to make changes to the weightings once I've customized the list. So go back to Settings, Traditional Grade Calculations. And you'd have to do it in both, but I'm going to do it in S2 only. So right now you'll see that the culminating is still there even though it's inactive. So you have to be careful if you're trying to get rid of something. Remember that it can still hold weight within the class even though it's not available for use. So I'm going to change this to culminating oral, and I'm going to say that's going to be worth 12%. And then I need to add another one, which is going to be category weighting, which is culminating written, and it's going to be worth 18%. And that's how I want to split up the categories. Okay, presumably I might not need to do this in the midterm because you might not count things in the culminating categories in the midterm. Maybe you do, in which case you'd have to do it on the other pencil as well. Okay, so that's the mechanism for customizing your categories. Thanks.